In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a calendar in Confluence. Importing a calendar is a great way to bring existing schedules, project timelines, or team events into one central place so everyone can stay on the same page. I'll walk you through the process step by step and you can follow along in your own Confluence space. First, start by going to Calendars in Confluence. Make sure you're logged into your Confluence site and you're in the space where you want your calendar to live. Look for the Calendars option in your navigation. Depending on your setup, this might be in the top menu or in the sidebar. When you open it, you should see any existing calendars you already have, or a mostly empty view if you're just getting started. This is the central hub where all your team calendars are managed. Next, look towards the top of the calendars view and find the plus sign. This plus sign is the button you'll use whenever you want to add something new. Click on that plus sign. A small menu or drop down will appear, giving you different options for working with calendars. From that menu, choose Import Calendar. This tells Confluence that you want to bring in an existing calendar file, rather than creating a completely new one from scratch. Before you get to this step, it's helpful to have your calendar file ready, usually in a standard format like an .ics file, exported from tools such as Google Calendar or Outlook. Once you've selected Import Calendar, you'll see a form where you can type in a name. In the name field, enter a clear descriptive name for your calendar. Think about how your teammates will recognize it later. For example, you might use something like Marketing Launch Plan or Engineering On-Call Schedule. A meaningful name makes it much easier to find and manage the calendar over time. After you've named your calendar, the final step is to click on Upload. This is where you choose the calendar file from your computer and let Confluence import it. Browse to your saved calendar file, select it, and confirm. Once the upload finishes, Confluence will process the file and display the events in your new calendar. Take a moment to review the imported events and make sure everything looks correct. And that's all you need to do to import a calendar in Confluence. Open Calendars, use the plus sign, select Import Calendar, give it a clear name, and upload your file.